To change screen reader focus indicator in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the off screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, tap settings, scroll down, and then on focus indicator, select color you want. Or you can also enable or disable thick borders. Okay, let's try enable voice assistant. Focus indicator is red.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader. Settings. Showing items 1 to 11. Focus indicator. Selected. Off. Selected. Selected. Selected.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Settings. Screen reader. Turn off. Voice assistant off.